Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making lemon and herb peri peri chicken. This peri peri chicken is mild, it's not too hot. I'm gonna serve this chicken with crispy halloumi fries and a mixed olive salad. This peri peri chicken is gonna be way better than Nandos. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. I'm using a full chicken here. It's best to leave the skin on. Now if you want the skin to be more crispier, then you need to cure the chicken with a bit of the salt and leave it in the fridge overnight. This will dry out the excess moisture. But for today I'm gonna skip this process. Maybe it's because I'm lazy today. Now there's two main ways you can cut up this chicken. You can either do a spatchcock or you can do a reverse spatchcock. I'm gonna spatchcock the chicken, but I'm gonna leave the bone inside. First I'm just gonna turn the chicken around. I'm gonna carefully cut this chicken in the middle. So grab your scissors, cut this through. Now turn the chicken around. We're gonna open it up. Put your hand on the breast and press it down until you hear that click. Add a good touch of salt onto there and some of this lemon pepper seasoning. Give that a really good massage and try to go under the skin as well. Now turn the chicken around and do the same from the other side. Once done, just set the chicken aside and let's prep our marinade. For the lemon and herb peri peri marinade, in with a red onion, few garlic cloves. Don't use too many for this marinade, as this is a mild type of peri peri marinade, so we're only gonna use few bird's eye chilies. Here I've got zest of fresh lemon. This lemon is quite large, so I'm just gonna use a bit of it. To be honest, this lemon looks bigger than my future. Now in with the whole flesh of lemon without the seeds. I've also removed all the white part from the lemon. This will ensure there's no any bitterness in our marinade. It with some of this red chili paste. For the spices I'm using a turmeric. It with a smoked paprika, cayenne pepper. It with a cracked mixed black pepper for more flavor. For the herbs I'm using here rosemary, some of this fresh thyme, with the oregano, some Italian parsley. We're gonna balance the flavors with some of the sugar, with the salt, with the white vinegar, some of this water, and finally with the oil. Now cover and blend this until the mixture is nice and smooth. Trust me when I say that this is one of the best lemon and herb marinade that you guys gonna try. The marinade is looking great. Let's check this. Have a little taste. That is so delicious. It has a strong lemon and herb flavor with a hint of chili. It's gonna go great with our chicken. Our mouth-watering lemon and herb peri peri marinade. Done. Now remove your seasoned chicken into a bowl. Now in with our peri peri marinade. We're going to use some of the marinade now and we're gonna brush some later. Trust me, this is one of the best lemon and herb peri peri chicken that you guys gonna try. Your mouth is gonna be absolutely watering by the end of this video. Now give this a really good mix with the help of your hands. Try to go under the skin as well and stuff the marinade. Make sure to cover both the front and the back with the marinade. Now you want to leave the chicken to marinate for 3 hours or overnight for best results. Let the chicken absorb some of the marinade. Now you can either cook the chicken on charcoal or flame grill it, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna grill it on the stove top and then finish in the oven. Turn up the heater on medium high. Spray your griddle with a good touch of oil. You want to make sure everything is touching the griddle. Now you want to turn the chicken every 4 to 5 minutes. Let's get some good grilling marks on there. We're also searing the chicken, locking those juices. Alright, let's turn this. Bismillah. Alright, so that looks great. Let's brush it with some more marinade. That looks so good. Like I said before, this is one of the best lemon and herb peri peri chicken that you guys gonna try. Alright, let's turn the chicken again. Carefully pick that up. And again, just make sure everything is touching the griddle. Some more marinade onto there. The chicken looks so good. And now we're gonna turn it one last time. Allah. Looks amazing. Now just turn off the heat. Finally some more. And remove the chicken into the oven tray. Light touch of salt and pepper, and finally you want to spray with the oil. Now this goes in a preheated oven at 220 Celsius, and we're gonna let this cook until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius. And like I said before, this is one of the best peri peri chicken that you guys gonna try. We're going to serve our halloumi fries with some of this pineapple mango dip. And with our mango slices, you will need around half a cup, equal amount of pineapple in there. And with some water so we can blend this, and finally some sugar. Cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Remove everything into this bowl. For a little bit of cake, in with a red chili paste, some of this fresh lime juice, using some of the fresh mint to add a bit more freshness, a bit of this fresh thyme as well, and finally we're gonna season with some of the smoked paprika, freshly cracked black pepper, and a good pinch of sea salt. Now give that a really good mix and combine everything. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. That is so good. Our delicious pineapple and mango dip, done. Have a mouth-watering crispy halloumi fries. Grab a ball in with a plain flour, in with a smoked paprika, good touch of black pepper in there, some of this white pepper, and finally in with the salt and some of this MSG. Good mix to that. Our halloumi slices go straight in. Give them a good coat, shake off the excess, and these go straight into the hot oil. We're gonna let these fry until they're nice and golden brown. And now we have a beautiful color on these, let's start removing them. Our mouth-watering crispy halloumi fries. Done. Grab yourself a plate in with your crispy halloumi fries. Garnish it with some of this red chili. You should always make sure your food looks great and it tastes great. Some of these spring onion greens, some of these fresh chives, and finally serving it with our pineapple and mango dip. Our mouth-watering crispy halloumi fries. Done. For our mixed olive salad, in with the Kalamata olives, in with some of these Bella di Sera granola olives. You could also use normal green olives instead, and you could also use some of the black olives. To add a bit more flavor, I'm using sun-dried tomatoes. Fresh cherry tomatoes would work best as well. Some of these red chili flakes, in with the oregano, parsley, a good pinch of salt, and finally some of this honey. Olives can be a bit bitter in taste, so of course we can balance that. Give that a really good mix. They look amazing. Now just set aside. We're going to serve our olive salad with a lemon vinaigrette. Super easy. In with the mustard. I'm gonna flavor with some of the fresh garlic. In with the oregano, some of this mixed black pepper. Good pinch of salt in there. Give that a good mix and slowly mix in the oil. Now this has beautifully come together. Have a little taste. That is so fresh and so flavorful. And just anything if you need to. Our mouth-watering lemon vinaigrette. Done. In a plate you want to add some of the lettuce leaves. Add in your beautiful olives. Of course, some of the feta cheese. You could also add some of the parmesan if you like. Some of our croutons. Drizzle of this extra virgin olive oil. And finally serving it with our amazing lemon vinaigrette. That looks so delicious. Our mouth-watering mixed olive salad with vinaigrette. Done. You guys are gonna really enjoy this, and it's gonna go amazing with our lemon and herb peri peri chicken. Alright guys, our mouth-watering peri peri chicken is done. Leftover juices from the chicken goes on the top. Looks so delicious. Alright, let's plate this up with your peri peri chicken, our crispy halloumi fries, our mixed olive salad, pineapple and mango dip, some of this lemon vinaigrette, and finally of course some of the leftover marinade. You can cook it if you want. For the strawberry mojito, in with the strawberries. You want to muddle them. Fresh lime juice, some of the lemon juice as well. Some of this fresh mint, and with some of this grenadine, it has been mixed with some of the strawberry essence. Now in with the ice. And finally with the soda water. And finally I'm gonna garnish it with some of this strawberry. Looks so refreshing. Oh, my mouth is watering right now. Our delicious lemon and herb peri peri chicken. Done. You and your family gonna really enjoy this peri peri chicken.
Victory.
Perfect.
Alright, enough talking, let's try this. It looks so delicious. First, let's try our crispy halloumi fries. Look at those. Bismillah. Oh, these are so delicious, just like normal fries. Has a nice crisp to it. Now let's try our olive salad. Get some of the vinaigrette. Bismillah. Wow, I really love this salad. The olives have an amazing flavor and the vinegar goes really well with this. If you guys want, you can also serve this with some of the garlic bread. Or finally, it's time to try our pepper chicken. Look at that.
Flawless victory.
Wow, that is so delicious. The chicken just falls off the bone. The chicken is cooked to perfection. Even the breast is nice and juicy. It's best to eat with your hands. This peri peri chicken is packed with so much flavor. You guys gonna love this. You can really taste those flavors of lemon and herb. So mouth-watering. As I mentioned before, this is so much better than Nandos. You guys gonna really enjoy with your family and friends. Alright, let's try our strawberry mojito. It looks so refreshing. Let's get our strawberry first. Bismillah. The strawberry is good. Alright, let's sip this. Bismillah. That is so refreshing. What a perfect way to end this meal. Please do me a favor and share this video with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.